we want Ife to be leading Nigeria, at least to have the 380, 340, if God that is coming, and which I believe Ife can still can be our best student overall in Nigeria. So at this junction, I will invite our governor from the state to come and present the award for the center that came first, second, and third. I first called from the third position, which is third position. That's Damage Solution Center. The name of that center is Adedapo Samuel Oluwatobi. Adedapo, who is the? You are the one.
Is the mic it's not working.
You put it up now. Secretary.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh. You present the first.
The executive will be with you.
Yes. So on behalf of ATSO,
microphone not working.
No, we don't want that into this time. Yeah, this is the third position now.
Okay.
I wanted to be scored help with the third position score 3-1. And the award given to him is in cash, not by transfer, in cash. In the presence of our governor, the state governor, Laji Ishola
Adekunle
Maruf. The secretary of the state is also present. In the presence of Afa.
I'm not an Afa. Adetunji Akanbi is my name.
He's a Christian though.
Adetunji Akanbi is my name.
Yeah, just heard his name. Just been mentioned now. So, thank you.
On behalf of ATSO, I present as the third position in ATSO quiz CBT
Center.
Okay. That coordinator. Okay.
That means solution. Do well. Please open your gift, your award given to you.
It's not a fluke.
okay.
So the executive
Photo.
Yes.
Please.
The chairman of exam committee also present in the place of the principal. I usually call it principal in the principal.
It's okay like that. Please, they know.
Is that all?
Okay. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations once again.
Now,
that means it's supposed to be go to APEX Tutors. Although the man is not yet arrived, but we called him. He said that's what let's tie up.
Akintunde Nicholas, where is he?
He's not around, but he said someone's first.
Okay.
Let's move inside that percent. This is official. Come on,
okay. Representing
APEX Tutors. The second position being awarded the sum of 70,000 naira in cash, not by transfer. Because we want transparency, we want everything to be seen by the whole world that Ife can do it, and indeed we are doing it.
And let him open the cash price so that you can see.
Let him open the cash by himself and see. Also, the name of the Togoria. Because the candidates came from the ATSO Tutors in Ile-ife. So thank you.
Open it and let's see the cash.
Let's see the money. On behalf of the ATSO Elisha,
ATSO Ife
sent this award of 70,000 naira to you for the second position of the BTN. This competition 2024 brilliant. Show it to them, let them see. Yeah, so we can snap with him.
Please, let's snap.
Let's snap with the. I'm not talking about what you're doing. So, because around. Oh, God, please, they come.
Please snap.
Okay, you are forcing the. Are you forcing the
first? Oh, Shisha is not working.
The last person, which is the first position, go for high tutor. The person that won that award is your name.
Elegbede Usman.
Elegbede, Abi.
Elegbede Usman Ishola.
Right here now, above the stage, please. The first position for this quiz competition
of 100,000 naira.
his award is.
You can let me.
Okay.
So you can see it's not a fluke. Everywhere you might be watching at this point in time, if it has done it, given in as much as 100,000 naira to the best student that actually won the award in person of Elegbede Usman Ishola from Akai Tutor. They've done very well, and I'm presenting now the sum of 100,000 to the guy that won it. Congratulations. Open it. Let the whole world see it, because you are going to. It's going to be aired.
So the three awardee, please come.
Please come and snap together, please.
Please come.
With the governor, please. Please hold your plaque.
Oh yeah, you hold it.
Have it.
Show it.
No, they have seen that. No,
Somebody say anything.
so this with that envelope. Put this with this. It's okay. Put this with this.
Ale yan kana tama se tan ka ko ya ti bi by now.
Please. Let him come. Let's be arranged.
First, second, third. No, let the first be at the middle. The first, this is the first. It should be at
First
the
to be at
middle.
the middle. Please hold your envelope very well.
Let them see.
Even let them see your money. It's not
It's not a fluke. If it has done it.
the owner can come. Let them see that.
This is what the Yorubas will call no be shere shere.
Moju ẹ lọ wo ni.
Really. It was hard. Yes. Great ATSO
Integrity. ATSO integrity.
Thank you.
So congratulations to you all.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
The words of encouragement.
So where's your tutorial located?